Yeah, welcome back guys to another video. Today we are going to talk about what we call a Git computer info, your system life story. This one, it checks what we call your system life story, basically host name. If you are new on this channel, never forget to subscribe, like, comment. So we are going to start by opening, as usual. If you were new, open PowerShell like this. Open PowerShell. You can open PowerShell by pressing, if you don't want to use this, press Windows button on your machine and R like this, then type PowerShell like this. You can do that to open, but also you can open here on the search by typing PowerShell. You run it as an administrator to give it privilege like this, PowerShell. So you run it as an administrator. Here you open it like this. You run as an administrator. So it's supposed to be like this. If you want to change the theme of your PowerShell, you can do this. You go here, go to properties. Then you see colors, small, large. If I want to make the words to be big, medium, font, layout, you can do this. Any color like this. I changed it to my screen, whatever. So you go there, you can change it. Now, without wasting any time, what I'm going to do is to write this command that you need to also to know. Git, like this, git hyphen computer info. Computer info. This is also useful in especially in also cybersecurity. It's also useful, not even cybersecurity, even if you are working any places, as long as you use computer and then you want to know this. This computer also used by hackers to find the information about the computer. I will show you in the next video that we are doing. Continue to support this channel to grow, because I give the useful information, especially for beginners, to understand this before we switch to Kali Linux, before we switch to advanced hacking. This is for education purpose, you know. So git info, if you type this slowly, go on slowly, git info, this one, it lists what we call the life story, basically your system. So get hyphen computer. I told you in the last videos, if you watch my videos on this channel, that if you write the PowerShell statement or syntax, you need to know that like for this get computer info, these first words like information, this is like get computer information, but they wrote it like that. That is how they wrote the command. So let me click run. You're gonna see the magic. Enter. So now it gets the processor, the information you see. So I will not show you what is happening to my computer, because when I go up you will see the details, you know, what is on, and I don't want to show you some IP address. But if you managed to do it, it is okay. This one you will see about, you see this one, hyper whatever, visualization. What is the meaning of visualization? It means that I can install another software like Kali Linux or using VirtualBox on this computer because it is on. So you see the details about the processor, the RAM, whatever. And also it is the same command used by hack when they attack the computer, like git info, computer info, to get the information about the system that they have hacked, especially the Windows machine, if they are using Windows machine. I'll show you even also how to do this using the Linux system. So get computer info. This is also useful if you want to buy another computer. It is the same as the other thing that we looked about. It was like system info. You get the point? But this one, you get the computer info. So try it and then you see get computer info to list out what is happening to the story, basically whatever. Another system that I want, another command, a powerful PowerShell command that I want you to know, it is like get info no mi object. Do what I'm doing. Open your computer, open PowerShell as an admin, then try to do. You will learn slowly. At the end, you will understand. You will understand these commands in the head. You will be a super in this field of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So by the time we go to Linux, you will also have the knowledge. Like this one, it is like git window object operating system. This is also a dangerous command. I will not show you how it works because you will see my secret, my information, which is secret. Because sometimes, so this one also, it is also, I will show you how, especially in cybersecurity, how they write this command to get information about your machine. Now we are learning these commands, but in the further videos I'll show you how to use these commands, how can they use this command for education purpose. You know, this channel, we are not promoting hacking. No, we practice on your machine, on your PC. It is for educational purpose. Never try this on someone's machine. You get a point? Try it on your machine. Try it on your machine or on the machine that you have access or granted a permission to do so. So this one, it is a dangerous command in PowerShell. Try it on your machine, you know, because I know, try it on your machine, then you commit what you have find out. Try it on your machine, then you know what you find out. So do not forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, guys. Also to support the channel to grow.